All right, everybody, what is up? Crypto Richie back again today. So I've had a lot of people ask me how I'm buying this land or NFT on BLOK, and so I'm going to do a video. Now today's is going to be a little different. We're actually going to do it on the PC. It'll be the same thing. It'll be over here on the screen so you guys will be able to see it. But like I said, I think the JOBEs or the JOBEs on BLOK are a little easier to do on the PC. So let's jump right into it and we'll see what we're going to do. So first, let's look up Bloktopia.com so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, first off, guys, guys, look at this. Incredibly bullish about this project. I don't care. But if you see right here, they have JOBEs. If you're looking into the staking, they are all closed. It is ridiculous. Same thing with the NFTs. I mean, and I believe the way I'm reading into this, so this is what we're buying right here. So you guys see, if you click on each one, you're going to be able to see the numbers that correlate. And like the ones you saw me get the other day, if you guys were on my live, I believe is level 16 and 20. Maybe not. Let's go on here. They are somewhere. I did look at them, and I'm pretty excited. Anyway, some are on here. I don't know where my floor is. Maybe it's 16 to 20. Maybe I'm way up there. Anyway, these numbers kind of correlate with the other things that you're getting. And I believe the way I'm reading into it that these is the land that is in the JOBEs. And the reason I'm saying that, guys, let's go ahead and jump into JOBEs. You guys know I actually got one into 37 this morning, and then I've got 3 in JOBE number 33. So let's go ahead and jump in here. Yeah, these are ones. You see the numbers. If you guys go back on the page I just showed you, you'll see how those numbers correlate and where they would be. So they only had 30, and then they've actually put out 8. That's crazy. So unfortunately 38 got sold up today. But this is what I'm going to show you guys how to get into right here. So the first thing we're going to do actually is get into our MetaMask, rather. And I'm going to do this straight from the beginning. So you guys, let's say you're just getting MetaMask, you should be able to do this way. So the very first thing we're going to want to do, of course, is change our network. So you guys will want to go to Google and just put in how to add MetaMask. And before you say, well, if I'm just going to Google it, you're not. We're not going to watch a video. We are simply going to go into, usually the top one will do it, and we're going to jump in and go all the way down to right here. So the reason we're doing that is we're going to go into MetaMask. Yes, I already have MATIC, doesn't matter. Go to add network. Network name, this is what we're going to do. Here's Polygon. We're going to put Poly right here. And the new RPC, we are going to put any one of these will work, guys, honestly. So we're just going to pick one. We're going to put in here. Chain ID is 137 in MATIC. So we're just going to hand type those in because why not? See, I already have that. You guys won't have that. That is just what I'm using already. So I'm certainly not going to go delete everything just so you guys won't have to see that. We're going to copy this. We're going to put it in here. And we are going to hit save. Like I said, right here, guys, you guys aren't going to see this because you don't already have MATIC. Now, if you do already have MATIC, great, just skip the step. But anyway, you're going to do save, and then once you get back here, if it's not already done, you just come right down here to MATIC, and you can do that. Bam! Second thing we're going to do is we are going to go to Google, and we are going to look up BLOK token price, whatever you want to do to get to coin market cap. Here's your Bloktopia. This is obviously the right token. Nice little dip. Hopefully by the time you guys are watching this, you'll have already bought some and you made a bunch of money. Anyway, guys, so we're going to go right here to contracts. We are going to hit copy contract, and we're going to go back to MetaMask. We're going to go right here to import tokens, and then right here we're just going to paste that. This should always fill up right here. BLOK, and then decimal number is 18. Hit add custom token. This is obviously BLOK. Import token. Hit back. This is what you're going to see. So you're already going to have MATIC in there. That is good. So we don't need that anymore. We don't need this anymore. And of course, we don't need MATIC because it's already in there. So the first thing you guys want to do is go to like Kucoin, which is a favorite for me. You guys know that. You're going to go, the website's a little trickier to use. So if you want to do this on your phone, that is fine. you will go to Kucoin. You're going to go over here to assets. You're going to go to trading assets. And then you are going to go right here to this. There should be a search bar right here. We're going to put BLOK. There it is. We are going to trade. And then we're going to pick USDT because that's what we're buying for. Now, if you guys don't know how to fund Kucoin, I do have a video on that on YouTube. If you want to find another platform to do it, or you have a platform and it's got BLOK, you could do the same things on that platform. But we're just going to go in here. We're going to switch this to market. I'd say you're probably going to need about 650, and this is why. If the token price currently is, let's just say 11.5, we need, I would have a little extra. So good price. I just bought this yesterday. Probably paid about $100 more for it yesterday. So good time to buy it. But it's only 563. But like I said, you're going to want a couple extra in there. While you're in here, you probably also want to send some MATIC over there so you have some gas fees. But anyway, go ahead and buy this, and then we're going to go back to trading account. This is just strictly for Kucoin, which I would highly recommend you guys getting Kucoin. I also have my referral code or the link below. We're going to look for BLOK again. This time we are going to transfer BLOK to the main account. You just hit all here and hit confirm, and it'll do it that way. Now, once you do that, you can go into your main account, and once again, we are going to look up BLOK right here. We are going to withdraw this time. Once we're here, we're just going to go back to MetaMask. You're going to copy this address, Shazam, just like that. Go back over here, go ahead and paste it. The network is obviously going to be MATIC. You're going to do your max or 4,900 or whatever you want. Make sure you can cover this 200 BLOK fee. That's why I tell you. Remarks you don't need, hit confirm. So once you have BLOK here, you are going to go to Bloktopia. You are going to go to JOBE. Down here, you're going to hit Join JOBE. And of course, we are going to connect wallet. It's going to pop up here. Now, if you guys have multiple screens like I do, and this MetaMask is opened up in a whole nother window, it's just not going to do anything. You're going to actually have to go over to the MetaMask, and you're going to have to refresh the screen, and then it's going to pop up. See right here? Actually, we do it. Watch what's going to happen. You can also go to activity, and it should be right here. If not, just refresh the screen. Boom. So that always happens like that. Just hit next, hit connect, and then you're in there. And that is if, let's say, you move screens back and forth, or if you have two different windows open up. But now we're here. So as you guys can already see, that total locked is already taken. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. You hit Join JOBE. You hit Approve Lock. Yeah, and this one I have none. So you do need MATIC. This is why I told you to make sure you have MATIC in there. Once this comes up, you just hit confirm. And then this is actually going to come up and show you guys there's going to be a box right here with a plus and a minus. Don't type numbers in there. Just hit plus, and it's going to add 400 or 4,800 because it takes 4,800 increments. That's it. So you're not going to go in there and type any numbers. You're just going to hit plus or minus. And for every time you hit plus or minus, it's going to either add 4,800 or it's going to take 4,800 away. And then you just hit OK. And then your MetaMask is going to pop back up there. If it doesn't, again, you can go back over here. This is where you can go to activities, and it's going to show you the activity right here. So that is how to get your JOBE on this absolutely-tastic Bloktopia. I'm very excited about it. I'm super bullish about Bloktopia. I mean, look at the graphics. I mean, I could just sit here with you guys all day and just show you guys these graphics because that's the metaverse I want to be in. Right there. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. But no, guys. So this is Bloktopia. While I'm talking about it, I'll actually leave it up on the screen right here so you guys can see it. But this is how to stake or buy land, rather. And you know, while we're talking about it, let's jump in here and I'll show you. I'll go ahead and close these out. We'll go into Join JOBE. And right here, it's going to tell you all the way about it. What it is, your percents, and all this good stuff. 1% share of JOBE costs 4,800 BLOK and consists of 1,000 lots. So they have 1,000 lots, and you can buy, I mean, it seems as many as you want for 4,800 BLOK a piece, which does, as of lately, kind of fluctuate between 550 and 650 bucks. So this right here is kind of what it is. Pause the screen if you guys want to look at it right here. But guys, this is how you buy land or NFT, and the reason I keep saying NFT is because this is how they explain it right here. It's a reblock and ad block NFT pricing floor plan. So that is what it is. This is what we're trying to get. If you were trying to get some land in block, this is how to do it. Hopefully it's going to help you guys. I may do another tutorial that's just strictly on my cell phone to show you guys how to do it there, but this is just a lot easier to do. So guys, I am Crypto Richie. This is what I do. If you guys have any other questions or concerns, if you have anything that you want me to look into, I definitely will. So go ahead and like and comment below. I am trying to get my YouTube up a little bigger. So if you guys would, definitely show some support. Definitely share the videos. Definitely help me get this out here. And hopefully I can put out some more awesome content like this. So guys, like, follow, subscribe, do all the cool things that you do on TikTok. And I will see you guys on the next one. And I hope this helped.